So, hello everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz Amiruddin. So today I will explain to you or summarize all about my past experience in industry that I working before, and I will put some visualization for you to make it easier to understand my position, my job scope, professional development skill, and skill that I have developed in my past experience. So for the first one is LA Services and Product. This company is located in Bukit Minyak, Bukit Tajam, Pulau Pinang on the mainland. So they are providing a hair grooming service for everyone that interested in hair salon. And other than that, they are producing the product lineup such as tool and equipment for salon and barber shop, and the cosmetic product and track record from system. So my job position in here is as assistant manager in LA services and product. My job scope is separated by two. One is managing department and the second one is R&D. So for the managing department, I involved in managing a manpower from start to the finish. So from training, recruitment, shift cycle, and managing residency setup is all my job scope. My second role is on social media marketing. Set up a campaign for ads and creating video poster to make an advertising campaign to interact and give some info for customer that are willingly for interested in our services. The third one is business expanding campaign. So I interact with NGO agency and government agency to search external or outsource funding to expand the company profile from the from document, meeting, and deal is all I organize it to the finish. And the last one is I was involved in making e-commerce website that fully running on selling product and as customer information hub for everyone to get info needed for this company services. The second department I have involving in this company is in team R&D for producing their own branding products such as barber table, barber chair, barber tool, and equipment, and cosmetic product. From design, material, process, documentation to supply, I involved in all this process. Skill set that I have developed is on R&D product. So I have extensive experience in product development from design production with expertise in both mechanical and chemical aspect, ensuring customer satisfaction function and functionability. For the professional development skills, I have gained insight, effective employee management, understanding the needed of optimal commitment, and ensuring our service meet customer expectation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you understand my explanation on my experience on LA services and product. Thank you. For the second company that I'm working before is Motorola Solution that located in Penang Island. The company is providing communication device and safety device for all the security force. So my position in here in Motorola Solution is evaluation engineer. I work on department for testing a walkie-talkie device that being used for security force. My job scope is separated by three parts. On evaluation on product, I conduct evaluation tests for testing unit and prototype. The evaluation test that I usually do is water resist, dust resist, drop test, click test, vacuum test, and screen display test, antenna, frequency, and functioning test. If evaluation tests are completed and the test unit is fully functioned, we will send the report the production to continue the producing full unit to send to the sales department or agent. If there's something wrong in test unit after evaluation test, we will conduct an investigation on searching the root case of problem and create a full report on search and analysis to find out the best solution to solve this issue. So my second job scope in Motorola is on 3D drawing. From draw, edit, convert it to 2D, assemble, test fitting, test for functioning. From start to the finish of 3D drawing, I do everything. This helped me to increase my job design analysis because it involved in evaluation engineering. My last job scope is on documentation. Basically, I create or I write the report from starting evaluation test to on testing unit to research and analyze If some problem I encounter, I will record the possibility of problem and solving method to document and to submit to supplier and make some reference to other. So a skill set that I have been developed in this company is design and analysis. So every change in drawing in this process, it will change the production and functioning on the test unit. It's very important to do some research and analysis before start to create or to produce some product. And luckily, I have involved in all of this process and gained some experience from start to the end this process. So for the professional skill development, I've learned a necessity of true project documentation for clarity, professionalism, adding effective communication and future reference. Thank you very much for watching. I hopefully you understand my explanation on my experience on Motorola solution. Thank you very much. So for the third company that I'm working before is on Intel located in Penang Island. The company is providing PCB, board and electrical component for all the gadget and computer that we use for today. So my position in Intel is technician leader. So I working on department for auditing the tool, equipment and machine for all Intel in Penang. So my job scope is separated by two, and the first one is management. So for handling other technicians to improve their output and hunting item that needed to put in the system urgently. So I need to arrange a group of 14 people and separate them to each building that located in Penang to find all the item needed to test the function and check the item from hardware to software. If it has a problem, we'll send back to maintenance department. So if the maintenance department fails to fix it, we usually put a label on it and key into the system, send it to the recycle department. The second part of my job scope is on documentation for management. So I frequently update all monthly target report, damage tool and equipment report, process flow for the team, permission, site visit documentation, and problem solution report. So skill set that I have been developed in this company is leadership. To create a professional team, comprehensive training and regular problem solving meeting are essential. We focus on addressing challenge faced to team member and finding tolerant solution for optimal performance. For the professional development skill, I have come to understand that every challenge present for opportunity for solution, emphasizing the important collaboration group discussion to identify the implements of most effective resolution. Thank you very much for everyone watching this video. Hopefully you understand my explanation on my experience on Intel. Thank you. So for the fourth company that I working before is Tenwa Resources, and it located in Bukit Minyak, Pulau Pinang on mainland. They are providing machine to cut a wire in the big quantities that is used for automotive company. So my position in here is as production technician. My job scope is separated by two. First one is running a production machine. Mostly I working my time is on operating and CNC machines such as wire cut, CNC milling, CNC grind, MC. After I use the machine on production, I will maintain it following the schedule that they are providing to me. So sometimes it needs some assembly process for maintaining. Other than that, my experience is on creating a jig and fixture to cut part for using machine CNC is to reduce time cycle and make it faster. Besides that, I involved in little bit on QC department. After cutting process is finished up, I usually check the tolerance and measurement of the part using QC machine. My second job scope is on the 3D drawing. I usually draw 3D drawing, and the 2D drawing will be sent to the CNC machine for generating a G-code for cutting process. After process is finished, I will write down report from material, process cutting, and measurement part of the tolerance. The skill set that I have been developed in this company is operating a CNC machine. Operating a CNC machine is require precision and skill due to the complexity, yet offer unparalleled accuracy. I possess experience of generating G-code using both machine-based and software-based method showcase proficiency in utilizing various techniques of optimal performance. For the professional development skills, I have developed machine maintenance skill and understanding even slight, seemingly simple repair may demand time and expertise. Through hand and learning collaboration with the maintenance professional, I strive to tackle maintenance tasks independently, ensure through understanding and validation each step taken. Thank you very much. Hope you understand all my explanation from my experience in Tentwa Resources. Thank you very much. My last company that I working before is on Sam Aviatron. It's located in Batu Kawan, Pulau Pinang, in mainland. They are producing part for aerospace companies such as Hinge, Turbine, and other. All the part is being used for airplane company. So my position in here is special process technician. My job scope is separated by three. First one is chemical process. My job is involved in chemical process, operating and maintaining machine and chemical. The process they are running is dipping part inside the chemical tank using dipping machine. After chemical process is finished, my job is to check the surface of the part, see the chemical distribution layer is fully passing on every surface and critical area. Other than that, I usually do a maintenance on percentage on chemical inside the tank and maintaining a machine that running through the special process. After chemical process is fully finished, my job is to create a report from beginning to the end process of the part and writing a QC report. So the skill set that I have been developed in this company is quality check. Through inspection, post-chemical treatment is crucial in quality control process. It ensures that any issue which details surface or tolerance are identified before advancing to the next production stage. For the professional development skills, I prioritize through preparation and comprehensive understanding in every task is undertaken. Thank you very much for your time. Hopefully you understand my explanation on my experience in Sam Aviatron. Thank you very much.